Magandang buhay! Naghahanap ba kayo ng park na walang entrance fee? Dito sa Rainforest Adventure Experience Park, walang bayad ang entrance fee. Rave is one of the biggest adventure park in the Philippines. Located at F. Legazpi Avenue, Maybunga, Pasig City. Open ang Rave from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. Alam niyo po ba gaano kalawak ang rainforest? 8 hectares po. Napakalawak, no? Kasi sa loob, meron siyang mini zoo, Olympic-sized swimming pool, jogging oval, playground, tennis court, and fitness center. Mix po siya ng recreation and natural park. Meron din po siyang boat lagoon. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Baguio para ma-experience mo ang boating. May bayad po ang boating. 50 pesos po per head.
Gitna po yung bata.
Dito ka dyan.
More redder than yours, Mom.
Pag nagutom, meron pong nagtitinda ng food inside the park. Kung gusto mong mag-jogging, pwedeng-pwede kasi malawak ang place. Pero under renovation pa po ang place. Marami pa pong close. Gaya po ng zipline obstacle course. Close for now. Halika, pasok tayo sa flower fields.
Tingin. Ayan.
Abi, look at Daddy down. Oh, drone!
Hello. Tigil. Alam, pasama kayo. Ay.
may piso ka? Daddy, may piso ka ba? Tadpole! Oh, may tadpole!
No.
Daddy, may tadpole! Daddy, look, may tadpole! Daddy, look, may tadpole! Shout out to Matt! Comment below if you want to be shout out by me. Mommy, may maliit. It's not a... Mommy, maliit. Oh, it's tiny. Parang ganito. Are you not allowed to go here again? Are you allowed to go here again?
It's my Gina!
Ay, so. Ay, dito lang. Pala yan.
Close din po ang mini zoo. Daming tilapia, no? Under renovation din po ang kanilang mini zoo. Konti na lang yung animals. Pag dumaan kayo, you need to wear mask kasi majaho.
May duck. Where duck? Did you want?
Close pa rin po ang kanilang Olympic-sized swimming pool. Sayang, ang dami pang close na amenities. Masarap din dito mag-bonding. Yung gusto mo lang ng big place, yung lakad-lakad lang, talk lang ng talk, holding hands while walking. Daming mga kabataan at mga estudyanteng nagbabanding. Meron ding nagpa-practice ng kanilang mga projects sa school. Close pa rin po ang kanilang kiddie playground. Sayang. Lika, pasok tayo sa Amaze.
Arya, the princess of the world.
Go.
Yan at yung makakain. And she wanted to paint with them. Papaint nila yung...
Yun, dalang boating lang.
Magkakaiba ba yung bayad sa lahat?
Opo, yung maze saka yung flowers are 10 pesos. Tapos
Ah.
yung boat, 50. Bali, 70 pesos po ang isang tao.
Okay. Sige, lahat na lang.
Opo.